The festival has been around for 31 years. It started initially at the War Memorial Theatre with a humble but passionate 8 groups over 2 evenings, and today we've got 50 schools and 80 rōpū. The kaupapa of the festival is about participation, it's about having fun, it's about building confidence, self-esteem amongst our tamariki mā, to be proud in who they are, no matter whether they're Chinese, Maori, Pacific Island. It's good to see the contrast, and we've got wonderful kindergarten groups and then right through to your performance groups, and tomorrow Friday we see our mass performance, and we've got 9 schools, the likes of Gisborne Intermediate, Ilminster, Mangapapa, Te Hapa, Riverdale, Makaraka, and it's a culmination of around 12 to 1400 students all performing en masse under the direction and tutelage of Pura Tangira, and it's a wonderful sight and it's an absolutely wonderful sound. I'll just mention, while I can, the likes of Muriwai Jones, Auntie Keita Ngata, Papa Taina Ngarumu, and so forth. Those people have been some of the key contributors from the initial conception through today, and I was just talking to Papa Taina on Monday when he opened the festival, and he said he's seen the growth within our early child cares, our kohanga and our kindergartens. Really the vision and the manaki and kaitiakitanga of the people who started it. We're just lucky to be carrying it on today. So.